Hello everyone on YouTube, it's Tate with Lawns Music and Roller Coasters. Today I have some news for y'all. It's an update regarding Kings Island this weekend. I actually just called the information center at Kings Island. The only thing I'm not going to be able to do is film on roller coasters, so like I said, if I'm not able to get into any on-ride footages of roller coasters, which unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do that, I'll still be able to update y'all on the roller coasters that I go on. Hopefully I can do on-ride, or not on-ride footage, but off-ride footage, so like outside of the coaster area or any other ride area. But as far as I'm concerned, I will not be filming any on-ride footage on any roller coaster at Kings Island. But I will still keep y'all updated on videos. And again, if I can't do off-ride videos at Kings Island, when I get back from Kings Island, I will definitely update y'all about the experiences I've had at Kings Island, the coasters, what I think about Diamondback, any other coaster. I'm sure the Beast is going to be awesome, but I'll definitely keep y'all updated on and posted on those. So as far as the on-ride footage thing goes, I will not be filming on-ride POVs for coasters. Anyways, that is my video for today. Please stay tuned. Hopefully I can get some off-ride footage of Kings Island, not on-ride footage. Because I was able to contact the Kings Island Center and get some information on that, and so there will not be any off-ride footage of on-ride footage of Kings Island. But I will try to get some off-ride footage, like not on the ride area, like actually outside of the ride area at Kings Island. If not, no problem, I will definitely update y'all after I'm done with Kings Island. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to smile today. Think positive. Just like Brandon from Theme Park Predictions says, as always, thanks for watching. Remember to smile today. Think positive. Keep riding coasters. More to come later. Alright, I'm out of here. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I will definitely update y'all on Kings Island.